I miss you, Shub. Shub. Shub? Shub! Am I going crazy? I need a pet. Hi. Sorry. Will you be my friend? Yo, 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 and hello, Masu. I love animals, but in Japan, I have no pets. I decided to make one. This is Penguin. Do you want to make a pet? Please watch this easy DIY video. We need paint, paint brushes, scissors, googly eyes, pipe cleaners, 2 toilet paper rolls, and glue. First, take 1 toilet paper roll and fold in the top. Cut the pointed parts. This is going to be the body. Take the second toilet paper roll and cut like this. These are ears. This is going to be the head. Glue the flaps shut. Now, glue the head onto the body. You can use a paintbrush to push from the inside. Wait. Oh, too soon. You need to wait a long time. Now that it's dry, it's time to paint. You can use any design or color you want. I chose black and white. Paint the top. Paint the bottom. Paint everywhere. Be careful not to... Oh! I put black on the white part. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Ah! If you make a mistake, you can fix it like this. All better. When you're finished painting, you can add details. For example, a nose, eyes, and whiskers. The last part is the tail. I use a pipe cleaner for my tail. And we're finished. Our very own toilet paper roll cat. So, did you make a pet? Please tell me the name of your fake pet or your real pet in the comments down below. My next video will be a Ninense video, but Penguin and I will have an adventure. Please watch if you want to hear our story. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you next week. See you soon!